Or I think it's fighting out by the scav camp, I think.
It's very possible. Yeah, dude, we gotta go. Oh, dude. Dude, fuck.
I don't have a bag, dude.
Dude. No, fuck that. Get over here. Get your fucking ass over here. Get to the back. Just get to the back. Get to the back.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh my god. Just found 2 gas hands.
Oh shit!
You good?
You told me to go back to Ollie and I got killed. Got killed by a player.
Oh, I got killed by him too. Fuck, bro. What a little bitch. He's just camping back there. What a punk, bro.
I thought it was you. I'm like, oh, hi.
I did not hit him.
Meet in the back of the store.